And there on Mama Jesus. After Madam Theresa Memboji, so all the way from Abagana. Welcome to the show. I can call our wonderful guest for joining us one more time.
That's my husband.
I know. I'm not boy condition, no. Because another woman is going there. This is your fifth time joining us.
I think so.
Oh, welcome. I make an for making our time all the time to join us.
Out of my busy schedule, you can imagine.
Yes. Or out of no schedule because I'm going to lose up. I
think I might as well take my leave. How about that?
Nalane.
Thank you.
My dear, welcome to the show. Calista, Nedolisa, Calista. Abalaka, everyone except me, of course.
One.
Welcome to another episode of IGBO HOMOGRAPHS. Yes, HOMOGRAPHS. You know, HOMOGRAPHs. Words that have the same spelling, but maybe they don't have the same pronunciation and meaning and stuff like that. Yes, so IGBO HOMOGRAPHs. The first set of words I know. Yes, penis. I'm laughing. Ihana, we are beginning.
Amo.
Namo.
God.
Amo water. Amo na shake ground. And gini amo.
Yes.
Anyway, but that's the truth. At least dim na piam nko go piase mo ba na shake. Nke ga piase agi kana cho nilo. In the insatiable. The next set of words I will beginning heal and respect. Heal and respect.
Heal more like mountain.
Exactly, something like that.
Ugu. And
Ugu. Hey, what could say change? Ugu. No.
One thing you lack so much, Ugu.
I'm going to Ugu for you because you don't have Ugu for any other person.
You wear Ugu.
I'm going to wear Ugu. You lack it. Another thing you lack is virtue. You put a virtuous woman.
I'm like virtuous.
Oh my goodness.
Let me toss this again.
She what? He was Munyala.
You're a bad woman.
Nonsense. We have breast, madness, land. Hey, I'm gonna two things out of these things.
Hey, God. Don't start.
Allah as a woman. You're such a mad woman. And then the next one, Allah. I think
Allah is the central.
Allah is a central thing, yes.
Yeah.
So I'm going to Allah. Then boobs, which you don't have, obviously. Like I said the last time, afele. Boobs, breast. Again, Allah.
I'd rather be flat.
Meaning what?
Than way he would do.
Meaning what?
I'm not naturally my fed ever.
Hey!
I'd rather be this flat than be very pointy.
It's okay. Right. But producers, please, let's be quick because she has to get home. What I do? Because I feel like DJ Limni is right here.
So golden plate.
That's it. Golden plate. Oh, the golden. Did you have to gold plate your flat boobs? Oh, we have waist. We have leg. Equatem. shape 11. Shape 11. Kevin's 8 now. Kevin was 16 because on one side. You made BBL one side. 16.
You know you're so jealous of my national exam.
Kevin was 16 because one side was one, then the other side was their shape. J came here called the rhyme.
You know, Kidika when the Williams don't hear saving your grace. They can't put up yet. It's not a fire.
I don't go with the Williams.
Everything in video.
It's okay. So what do you?
You're
So we have waist, leg, and bunch.
Uku like this.
Uku, yes.
Leg. Uku.
Oku, yes.
Up like one last now.
Up, true. So oku, up.
You can say uku is like the
yes, uku is yes. So that's like a bunch.
Yes. Like crowd in gathers.
Yes. That's nice. So you see that those are IGBO HOMOGRAPHs. Same spelling right there, different pronunciations, different meanings. The next set of words. Beauty and knife.
Beauty. Say Emma. Madam, the other one.
Do you know, for the very first time in all our banter, beauty is something you do have. You are a very beautiful woman.
God bless you for having the courage to say the truth.
You are a beautiful woman. And the next one, knife, beginning. So let's get to the final set of words. What you going on? I'm
very further than
Opposite
attracts.
Opposite attracts, my sister. Hey! Oh, yes!
Hey, just can you get him to come so friendly? Because what am I spring? What am I getting bones?
Like, give me
This Subaka and this stuff, dear. Where's the bone of the Spider! What's happening in the bone? Can't tell you. What's the number one back?
So welcome back again, Makana Air. One year to you gave at this studio, but yeah, I will remain alive. So welcome back one more time. Yeah, so we have cold, like, we have one. What are you going
O2. 1. O2. Yeah, O2 is a billionaire's club, and I'm care billionaire, care poverty club.
And what? Okoto? That's the last one.
Yes.
Okay. I got on it too.